Hey, hi everyone. I just wanted to show you a little bit about what I'm doing. I'm doing something a little bit Middle Eastern here. And I have some sauteed onions with my special seasoning. And then I'm just going to go ahead and add my tomatoes in there. A couple of tomatoes. And some zucchini. I'm just going to make something vegetarian, nothing something really light. I've been eating really heavy lately. I'm going to stir that in. And then I have some rice and some lentils. I'm going to add some of this fruit into my pot. Okay. A little bit of my reserve liquids that I had in my rice. So I basically waited until it was pretty much almost cooked, and then I just at the last, because these are already dried, and basically it's dried tomatoes, dried cranberries, and some apricots. And I just wanted to make something really light today because, I don't know, it's still kind of, we're getting into the spring, they're still in the cold season. Sometimes you gotta listen to your body, right? So, I had a craving for zucchini, and I want to try some of these other seasonings that I have. And let that cook. This could be a nice vegan dinner. If I had I do have cremini mushrooms, but I'm going to go ahead and not use them tonight for cremini mushrooms. I'm going to try one. Yeah, I'm sticking my hand in there. Oh yeah. And so I'm going to put some more of my seasoning in there. Alright. Okay. And then I'll probably put just a little bit of pepper flakes. Alright. And some curry. Ooh, that smells good. Some turmeric. Some coriander. I'm just going to allow that to saute. Okay. And my fork here. That's good. That's going to go well with my rice and lentils. Oh, red lentils. and my dried fruit. I don't want to over saute it. It's got that little heat in there. I have a little bit moisture from which I pulled out of my rice. Put that in there. I'm basically going to serve this over my rice. And that should be good. That is so delightful. So I'm going to clean that up. Okay. Turn that off. Wait for my rice to finish. Get a nice plate here. There we go. Good plate. I'm going to serve. I didn't put any saffron in my rice, but I could have. And when my rice came out just a little bit sticky, but I don't care. Okay, and then serve it with and that's jasmine rice. It's a nice little flavor profile, and basically that's it. I'm going to enjoy that. And that's going to be my dinner for tonight. Delicious. Yeah. And I hope you have a nice evening. Okay.